Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important financial statement of a company, that is balance sheet. In accounting, every transaction has a dual or twofold effect and should therefore be recorded at two places. In other words, at least two accounts will be involved in recording a transaction. The important financial statements of the company are trial balance, trading and profit loss account, and balance sheet. After entering the transaction in journal, the accountant prepare various book of accounts and he closes these accounts at the end of the accounting period. Next, he transferred the closing balance of these ledger accounts to trial balance. The objective of preparing trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. Then he prepared trading and profit and loss account. The objective of preparing trading and profit and loss account is to know the profitability of the business concern. The net amount derived from the trading and profit and loss account may be profit or loss. Next step is transfer this closing balance, that is net profit or net loss, to balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement which is prepared at the end of the accounting period to know the financial position of the company. Balance sheet is a statement which shows the important resources and application of funds. Balance sheet is a statement which shows the assets and liabilities of the company. The important assets of the company are current assets and fixed assets. Current assets includes cash balance, bank balance, account receivable, bill receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, accrued income, etc. Fixed assets can be divided into two: tangible assets and intangible assets. The examples of tangible assets are plant and machinery, building, furniture, fixtures, land, etc. The examples of intangible assets are copyright, patent, trademark, goodwill, mining rights, etc. These are the important examples of assets. The next classification is liabilities. Liabilities are the debts or obligations of the company. Liabilities can be divided into three: shareholders' funds, long term debt, and current liabilities. Shareholders' funds includes share capital. Share capital means equity share capital, reserves and surpluses, profit and loss account, credit balance. Reserves includes capital reserves, general reserve, debenture redemption reserve, or any amount created as reserves or funds, provident funds, employees funds, etc. Then profit and loss account, credit balance means net profit. Next classification is long term debt. Long term debts are the debts which are repayable after 1 year. It may be in the form of debentures, long term loans, long term provisions. The next classification is current liabilities. Current liabilities are the liabilities which are repayable within 1 year. Example: accounts payable, that is creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, short term provisions, etc. Short term provisions includes provision for taxation, provision for depreciation, etc. Another classification of liabilities are: first one current liability and second one non-current liability. Non-current liabilities includes shareholders funds and long term debt, that is share capital, reserves and surpluses, profit and loss account credit balance, debentures, long term loans, long term provisions, etc. Current liabilities includes creditors, that is accounts payable, bills payable, outstanding expenses, short term loans, provision created for 1 year, that is provision for taxation, provision for doubtful debts, and provision for depreciation, etc. Thank you.